Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access and a backup. Once that's done, connect the target disk or confirm free space. Open Disk Management right away. Press Windows key plus X and choose Disk Management. You're starting the process now because initialization is the first actionable step. If the disk is new, it may show as uninitialized. Initialize it GPT for modern systems, MBR for older. Make sure to note the disk number and any existing partitions so you don't overwrite the wrong drive. Now create the new volume. Right-click the unallocated space and pick New Simple Volume, then follow the wizard. When prompted, set the volume size, use full size unless you need multiple partitions, and explicitly assign the drive letter F. Next, choose NTFS and select Quick Format for speed. You can change allocation unit size later if needed. Once formatted, Windows will register the volume. Make sure to give it a clear label so you can identify it quickly in Explorer. Finish by opening File Explorer and confirming the new F. Drive appears with the expected free space and label. Move a small set of test files to verify read/write behavior, then adjust permissions or sharing settings if you'll access it over a network. Once done, make sure to add any backup tasks pointing to F. If F doesn't show up, rescan disks in Disk Management or right-click the volume to change the drive letter. That simple fix resolves most assignment conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.